front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Motorola. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Over here, go into Theme. Now choose Show Mode to see all available ones, and when you're ready, pick the best one for you by tapping on it. Manage keyboarders by tapping on the switcher over here, and finally select Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then click on Done, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them on or off, and finally click on Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!